This is boring. Boring? Why are you so bored, Shui? Because I don't know what to do when we sing like this. Hmm. I guess it's November 10th, isn't it? Yeah. What day is it? Don't know. Gee, there's so much more I could say. What's that? Lammis? What is it? Do you think that's a skeleton monster that has to be invaded? Invaded? What do you ask? Because there's evil spirit that needs to destroy Christmas, and we need to save the town. Oh, yep. So that's why we're going to. Okay. Well, we can defeat that thing. Yep, with Hulemy. Everything goes well. Yeah, Hulemy. I wonder if you can just defeat the spirits from Christmas. Christmas spirit? No, no, the evil spirit. Oh, right.